heading to the Christmas tree lighting downtown tonight. Figured I would show you guys what I'm wearing. My Sorel Wedge Boots, the cutest scarf ever. This coat is a few years old, but I'm sure there are super similar ones, so I will link a similar one. And then this dot sweater that I got this year. And I do have my chunky beanie that's in the car. So let's go.
I'm ready to vlog.
Okay, good. Where are we going, babe?
We're going down to Campus Marshes.
Okay, 99.9% of people are gonna have no idea what that is.
The center of Detroit.
Yeah.
For the tree lighting.
Yeah, we're going downtown. So I'm gonna try and show you guys. We'll probably walk around a little bit, do you think?
Oh, sure.
Because they have like this holiday thing set up. Man, I am like really pale.
Marketplace and lounge.
Yeah. I don't know. What are you doing? Holy guacamole. Yeah, they have a holiday little market set up with a bunch of local places. So we might go through there, and then we have dinner reservations after at 8 at Empire Kitchen. Yeah, which neither of us have ever been there. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get downtown. We are downtown.
Maybe some A and S roll footage.
I told them I needed some B-roll of the city because we haven't walked downtown before. We're walking because the train is taking too long. So we're walking down to the main area from like the middle of the city.
Ah, fit on the screen.
Yay! We made it downtown, so we're in a gigantic crowd. So we'll show you guys when they light the tree.
What if we start from 5 and count it down, Santa? What do you think? All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You didn't get it either.
The tree lighting is over. You have to back up if you want to be in this.
I'm way back here. Bye.
The tree lighting is over, and it was a cluster trying to get out. There's so many people. And now we are walking back down to Midtown. Adam did not tell me I was going to be walking like 2 miles in my Wedge snow boots. And he said that the lighting was an hour earlier than it was.
That's what the article said.
So it was at 8, not at 7. So we stood outside for like an hour and a half waiting for it. So
it was still great. Glad we went.
So yeah, we're cold and ready for food, and hopefully they'll take us even though we're late for our reservation.
Yeah.
Alright, we just left dinner. The lighting is crazy because we're sitting at a stoplight. But we just had dinner at Empire. I didn't show them our actual dinner. Well, it's kind of hard. I had a chicken sandwich and Adam had a pizza. We had like a little bit of an iffy experience because Adam's food came out wrong, so we didn't actually eat at the same time. But
it wasn't prepared incorrectly. It was just...
Right, our server just wasn't the best. But the food was actually pretty good and the restaurant was cool. So we'll probably go back at some point. And we didn't get to show you guys kind of the little area with all the local shops because it was already late after the tree was lit, so.
But we'll go back.
Yeah, we'll go back. So I hope you guys enjoy coming to the tree lighting with us. Right, babe?
Right.
Adam vlogged on the way out of the restaurant because I was too shy to.
What are they gonna do?
I don't know, judge me.
That's who you are. Don't be afraid of who you are.
Oh my gosh.